And what are we supposed to be?
15 and a half.
I love it.
Wet vent from there all the way down this area where we have 2 water closets and a shower. So these are all being wet vented, all these. So it's a shower, 2 lavs, 2 water closets, and this is 2 bathrooms all in 1 wet vent. So we'll put this in next.
Can you tell me again what those 2 pipes are for?
These 2 here?
Mm-hmm.
So this pipe here connects the kitchen sink.
Gotcha.
And the washing machine have to connect downstream of our wet vent. I gotta come down low enough to reach that. I just have to make sure I'm above 45. That's our angle. Right about there.
And what are we supposed to be?
15 and a half.
I love it.
I'm not yet aware of the tragedy that's occurred. Not a huge mistake if you have plenty of room to cut stuff out easily. Our octopus is jam-packed with fittings, so very close together. And it's at this point I realize my mistake. I messed up. We'll try this again tomorrow. Time for some sleep.
This end and this end. Start with the hub first.
Grab your friends, find your enemies and make amends, and we'll meet in the middle. Take the pride and set it aside. My hands will build.
We've never done this before.
Is it all flowing the right direction? Downstream. Toilets, shower. Primer, glue. Start with the hub first. Primer all on there. Where's my Sharpie? Needs a minimum of an 1/8 inch drop, aiming for a 1/4. I guess we'll glue this in, assuming that this is correct. 45.
Are you happy with that slope?
Man, we're coming up high, aren't we?
Already learned our lesson. We're gonna stop now, start fresh tomorrow. And Mom, if you're watching, don't worry. The plumbing will not win. Hopefully it works. Either way, we're not quitting.